everyone, welcome to my lair. I'm Sil and I have a special unboxing today from an order I made off of Alliexpress. Usually these websites sell bootlegs, but I found a store on Alliexpress that does not sell bootlegs. I'm going to put a link to the store in the description so you can buy figures. They're licensed figures, they're not bootlegs, so let's see what I got, okay? So my box came a little beaten up. I ordered these on April 30th. I only got them now. Usually they come in a lot faster, but with what's going on in the world, delays are to be expected. So let's open this up, shall we? All right, how do I open this? Aha, here we go. So let's start with this. I got 3 figures here, so. Oh, there's 2 here. Oh, I lied. Looks like I got 4. All right, let's start with this one. Oh my god, it's so well packaged. Okay, I'm gonna start from my last videos, you can tell that I'm a big Taito fan. Another Taito figure. The box is beaten up. Guess that's what happens in shipping. I got a Sakura Miku. My first, but many Sakura Miku figures. So let's take this out of the box. Actually, no, I'm gonna show you the other figures I got, and then I'll take them all out of the box. This is a Sega figure. Oh my god, the box is so beaten up. I got this Miku figure here. She's so cute. And the rest of my girls' memory figure collection. I got Sailor, oh my god, I got a blank. Sailor Jupiter. I'm tired. And my second favorite Senshi next to Sailor Mars. And these are licensed figures, by the way. They're not bootlegs. Like, you could tell there's the Banpresto logo, and then there's the toy animation sticker. I got Sailor Venus, which is my next favorite Senshi next to Sailor Mars. Alright, so let's open up the Sakura Miku. Let's start the stand. So the stand, I don't know how well you can see, there's little Sakura on it, and it's shaped like a cherry blossom. Just take off the tape. Oh, I have to put this one together. here she is. The little cherry in her hair. I really like the details on her hair. It goes from darker to lighter, and there's little flowers on her hair. This is gonna look amazing. I really wanted this figure, so I'm happy it finally came in. Totally worth the wait. This is the other piece with the little flowers in her hair. And what I like, you could tell it's a real figure because usually on bootlegs, pieces don't fit in properly. The paint job is shoddy. Paint job. I think these are price figures. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. But the details on them are just like so well done. The paint job. There's little, I don't know how well you can see on my camera here, but there's little Sakura leaves even here. The little cherries on her hair, on her pigtails. Let's put her on her stand. I think it goes like this. Yeah. Oops. There we go. And here she is. Let's finish up with the Miku. Let's open up this one. I think this, I'm going to make an exception and actually throw the box out. It's completely damaged. As long as the figure isn't damaged. Okay, this is... Nope, came well packaged. Another figure you have to assemble. So here she is. The thing I noticed right away, I have to put her little pigtails in, is the beautiful butterfly on the back. I really like that. There's also, like, if you look closely, I don't know how well you can see, there's a corset, which I really like. I like the way she's holding up her dress, the folds. It's so well sculpted, well painted. The little butterflies on her shoes, that's so cute. The stand is just a plain black stand. Oh, I lied. I think you can see them. There's little butterflies on the stand. She fits really well on the stand too. I wasn't too sure she would, but pretty solid. Okay, let's take out the pigtails. This is what they look like. Little butterfly-like bows. And let's put them on. Oh, I think this one goes here. And there you have it. I'm really happy with this one. She is so cute. Move some of this over. Alright, the girls' memory figures. I'm going to start right. Come on, Jupiter. Okay, that's it. Here's her stand. Oh my god, she's in pieces. Okay, I think I got everything. Let's get Jupiter out of all this plastic. Oh, look, she has no arms. Wow. The paint on this is fantastic. Okay, and so now we're unwrapping the Sailor Jupiter. So I have to put her arms on. I kind of like figures that you have to assemble. It's kind of fun. Just hard to get them out of the packaging. Okay. I think this one goes here. Here, I'll take the other one out. Does she look like on the box? Gotcha. And now we put her on the stand. I think she goes like this. Perfect. And there you have Sailor Jupiter. I love this pose. Now for the last figure. Sailor Venus. There. Here's what the stand looks like. Oh, this one too looks like I'm gonna have to put her hands. Oh, it's such a bitch getting these out. There we go. I think I have it. Woohoo! Okay, so this one I just have to get this in. Am I doing this properly? It won't go in. That's what she said. Oh, because her hand kind of goes like this. That's why. Haha, I got it in the wrong hole. So here you go. Here's Venus. And I'm going to put her on the stand. Very cute. So I pretty much have The only one I'm missing from the girls' memories is Sailor Saturn, but I have pretty much all of them, and I'm really happy. And that's all I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good day. Be safe. Bye.